Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how you can save your password in Google Chrome, or how to save your password in Google Chrome Password Manager. So let's start with the video. So I'm going to my Chrome browser. So guys, this is my Chrome browser, and basically in this video tutorial, we are going to talk about what is the password manager of Google Chrome and how you can use it, how you can save your password manually, and if you did not save password, or when you first time login and you click on never save your password, then how you can save again, and how about setting about password manager, I will show you. Okay, so this is my Chrome browser, and click on this three dot option and go to the settings, and here you have to click on this autofill option. Okay, in left side you will see the many options, so click on autofill. In autofill you will see the password. Okay, so here you can see my all save password. I can view this password by clicking on this eye icon. If I click on this eye icon, the if you have window password, then the Chrome will ask you the your window password, then this password will visible. Okay, so now there is a two setting you can see, offer the save password, so you have to on this. So whenever you log in any website first time, then Google will ask you here in left side or notification that Chrome will offer you to save password, so you have to click on yes, then the password will save here. Okay, so this is a auto sign. The after you save password, when if you if you try to log in again in the same web page, then it will be auto sign in. Okay, so if you on this, the whatever you have saved in your Chrome, or whatever website you save in website on Chrome, so it will be in future when you try to log in, so it will be sign in automatically. So you should be on this when you, if you want to, auto, if you want to auto log in the website. So first you have to save by on this save password, then you can auto log in website anytime. So now we are going to learn how you can edit your password, how you can manually change your password. Okay, so whatever the save password you will see here, so now you can view password by clicking on this eye icon. So guys, whenever you click on this eye icon, it will be a password will be visible. If you want to delete it or edit it, you have to click on this three dot option, and you can just edit your password if you click on it. So you can see you can edit your username, you can edit your password, you can do anything, and just do save. If you want to remove it, just remove your password. You can copy password from here. If you want to import export, just click on it and you can import password, export password from here. And if you want to import this password to new Chrome browser, so you can import from here this export file. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.